I would like to show you how to make a rollerball. It's really easy. You can get a rollerball, and this one's amber, that looks like this on the internet, health food stores, or doTERRA. Be sure to either have amber or the blue to help protect the oils from the light. Remove your cap, then remove the rollerball, which looks like this. If you have problems removing it, you can use a butter knife and put just underneath the lip and gently lift it up. If you're wanting to make a blend, make sure you know how many drops you're going to need of each oil. If you are only wanting to dilute one oil with fractionated coconut oil, then use 10 drops of the oil of your choice. And in this one, I'm going to use lavender. 8, 9, 10, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then you're going to want to fill your vial with a fractionated coconut oil, and you're going to want to go just to the edge right here, and so then you're going to just put it in. After you're done with that, you take and put your rollerball on top, and make sure you get it all the way in, not to just here. You want it where that lip is, but all the way in, down, so that it looks like this. Then put your cap on. Make sure it's good and tight. Shake it a little, and it's ready to apply wherever you need it. It's a good idea to label your bottles so you won't forget what's in it. If you have several rollerballs, you don't want to get them mixed up. I hope this has been helpful. If you have any questions, please let me know. Put your comments in, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Take care. Thanks for now. Bye.